Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna take this ground auger, some treated wood, and some concrete, and we are strapping this building down so it does not fly away during a storm. Let's get into it right now. All right guys, here is my $3,000 garage that I built all by myself, 5 days, Home Depot materials. I have a detailed video on how to do it step by step, all the materials, everything guys. But after the video came out, a lot of people complained about it not being strapped down. So I'm gonna go inside and show you what we're gonna do and what I've done already. All right, so what I've done so far is, see on each corner, I got cinder blocks, put some boards just to weigh it down. It's been here for a year. It has not flown away, it hasn't moved. Everything is good on it, and I'm happy with it. But just in case there is some type of storm, guys, we got an auger here, check it out. We got treated wood. I got 8 of these. I got bags of cement, or concrete, I mean. I got 8 of those. See, here they are. And what we're gonna do, guys, is we are going to drill basically one on each corner, like one there, one there, one there, one there. I might even do one there and one there, and maybe even one at the front there. Not too sure yet. We're gonna drill a hole in the ground with the auger, place the board into the hole, drill it to the side of the garage, and then we're gonna fill it with cement, guys. That is the plan. What do you think, Ryan? Will that hold it down?
Sounds like a great idea. Can't wait to get started.
All right, guys, we're gonna get suited up and we're gonna start drilling the holes. We will record everything. Ryan, my neighbor, is gonna be helping me with this project, and we'll show you exactly how to strap a building down in this video, guys.
Got all the right supplies.
Okay, it's only honestly been about a half an hour and everything is going so good. So these boards here, we've been cutting them in half. Very, very easy. I'll show you what I have done so far. Okay, so see, dug a hole in the ground, deep one. Took the half boards, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So we got one there. We got one there. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We got one there. We got one there. We're gonna do one there and one there. I'm thinking of doing one on the front part, so just on the side. And I'm gonna do one right here beside this as well. But I just want you guys to see how easy it is to make holes with a post hole digger like this. Really nothing to it, don't be scared. This is actually an ice auger. I converted it. I do have a video on how to convert it to a post hole digger. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the camera and me and Ryan are gonna make a hole right here. And I'll show you guys how easy it is, and I'll show you in real time.
Fence post digger, you don't need that when you get an ice auger, guys. Works just as good.
All right, guys, so let's do this. Nothing to it. We're putting it right up against, just like that. Okay, ready, Ryan?
Ready.
In real time. Yeah, ready? Let's pull it out.
1, 2, 3.
It's actually really light. Beauty. All right, guys, so here's the nice juicy hole. Check it out. So this is 4 feet long, this board. So now all we're gonna do is go like this, put it in all the way, and we're gonna use those big thick deck screws to screw it right to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, guys, this is what I'm using. These are a little bit thicker than the regular ones we were using on the rest of the building. So yeah, just gonna put those in, screw that in. So what I'm gonna do is off camera, Ryan and I, we are gonna do one more there, one there, and one in the middle. And then I'll show you guys how and what to do with the cement, guys, or the concrete, I should say. See you guys in about 15 minutes, because that's all it's going to take. Okay, it is the next day. Check it out. I got lots done. So, inside of all these holes, check it out. See? I filled the holes with concrete. I did that yesterday. I ran out of daylight. So I did that one. I did this one. I might even put a little bit more so it's flush with the ground. So when I bury it, that way the dirt isn't actually touching the wood. That'll prevent the wood from rotting out like for years and years and years and years. But if it's touching, it's not the end of the world. It is treated wood. See, look, just like that. I got the hole kind of at an angle too, so at the bottom the cement surrounds. See, like I kind of want it like this. This one's flush. See what I mean? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I got this one left, that one left. I ended up, for here, I just ended up doing that, see? Just put one on the corner. I put two boards, just to make it away a little bit, see? Same thing, all the way down there. And the center, I'm not doing anything with it in the end. So, I'm gonna do this one with you guys. I'll show you exactly how it's done. It only requires one bag per hole. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I just bought the cheapest cement mix they had. This was $9 a bag Canadian, so around $5 US, something like that. And see, it just says on here, setting posts, which is what we're doing. There's a picture of a guy making stairs. So, all you gotta do is put this in a wheelbarrow, and you need about 2.5 liters of water per an entire bag. Pretty straightforward. Okay, I'll go put this in the wheelbarrow. And I always wear this when I'm mixing concrete. I might not this time just so I can talk to you guys, but don't breathe the dust. All right, one bag of cement. Cut it open. Two and a half liters of water. And start mixing it. Perfect. Okay, that's a pretty good consistency. I mean, it could be more liquidier. Not the end of the world. Okay, let's go dump it in the hole. Oh yeah, and one other thing I forgot to mention. So I like to do that. See, the board that's underground. See, I put a couple screws in it all the way through, just for the cement to have extra grip. Not really necessary, but if you're paranoid that the concrete's not gonna hang onto the board, you can do that. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm gonna screw this back in here. All right. Grab your little shovel. All right, and that is it. See, just like that. So obviously, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix up another bag or like a half a bag or whatever. I'm gonna fill that up right to level. I might as well. You don't really have to, but I'm gonna do it because I got lots of concrete left. And I'm just gonna top them up, whatever, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fill the last one, which I actually already did off camera. Check it out. So this one needs more too. See that? And yeah, so I'm gonna level them all out. You've seen me do that. And then I'll show you when it's all ready, guys. Okay, all the cement work is done. So check it out. See, I got them nice and full. Just like that. Boom, boom. So anyways, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give this a few days to fully 100% dry. So I'm gonna fast forward this video a few days, and then I'm just gonna level all the dirt and just show you what it looks like all finished.
So I'm fast forwarding a few days right now.
Okay, it is 2 days later. Check it out, everything is strapped down. I put all the dirt back nicely. I'm very, very happy with that, guys. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you can. I would appreciate it. Write a comment, hopefully positive. Thank you very much. Till next time, everybody.